Hey guys, it's Saturday, November 24th. It's like 65 out, so I'm shutting down the heat finally. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some supplies. We got some things to repair. Yesterday I fixed a couple connectors on the batteries. I'm stoned as a goat. We're gonna cut some more of the carpet out so it'll sit flush. Man, I really wanted cinnamon rolls again, but I had those yesterday. I forgot I got this Jim Dean breakfast bowl, so I'm gonna pop that in the microwave. We're finally up to 13.5 volts. Those couple days of the rain and clouds, they really did a damage on the batteries. I'm sure it'll get up to 13.7 by the end of the day, or at least I'm hoping. But we're gonna burn some of that off right now. Breakfast bowl going. All right. 2 minutes on the clock. And everything just drops back to 12.3, 12.2. What are we saying here? Yeah, 12. What? Yeah, 11.6. It's working, 114 volts. That's good, it's still within range. Might have to bust the generator out later though and let it charge up a little bit more amps on it. All right, it's breakfast, bitch. Yeah, it always goes back up at 12.6, which is 75 or 70% charge. Hopefully we can get a full charge in it today, because it fucking needs it. I'm gonna eat my breakfast, getting a list of shit that I'm gonna need to fucking buy from the store today. Nothing chaps my ass quite like having to go 5 fucking times. I don't know where this fork came from, but I'm gonna fucking use it. All right, guys, I'm gonna go get some gas in the little gas tank here. I'm gonna fill up the generator again because it's getting kind of low finally. We gotta go to Home Depot, get some high temp silicone. Shut up, fuck. Oh, I got a list of shit to do now. We're gonna make it a productive day. We'll be back. I don't have pockets for all this shit. All right, guys, we made it back to the shop. We're done with Home Depot. We got everything at Home Depot. That was awesome. Tire plug, high temp caulk, so we can mount this heater plate, whatever. Some bungee cords, we can strap shit down. I only have one fucking bungee cord somehow. Yeah, we're gonna pop the fucking hood. We're gonna change the oil in this motherfucker. Tunes popping.
No, yes, you know. Nah, you got it, yeah, you got it, baby. Bust it on the floor. On the floor.
Supplies. Fuck, how do you open these fucking things? These are definitely shitty gloves. Let's change this fucking oil. I guess I might as well charge up the laptop while I'm here. Save some of that solar juice. Today might actually be a day I'd use the AC because it's fucking warm out. Damn. I drain that oil bucket now. Look at this little shitbird. What are you doing? Oh, I'm too old for this shit. Alright, filter on. Old shitty fucking gross oils out. These gloves are worthless. They broke right away. Fucking Chevys. There it goes. User error, I admit. Nice hot motherfucking engine. Still leaking AC Freon, but it's lasted a lot longer than it did last time. Yay! One job done. plug this bitch ass tire. Fucking tools are spread out all over. Yep, that's the hole. God damn it. Where's the fuck going? Yeah, fuck. Most retarded fucking thing I've ever seen. Fuck you, you fucking faggot, fucking screw. God, I want to ride, but no one ever to fucking ride with. And everybody there is to ride with, they're all fucking way younger than me. Don't really have any common grounds. And I'm gay, so I don't really have many commonalities. Guys, we're almost there. Oh, the sun's going down. The sun's getting behind clouds. We're dropping fast. Solar's not keeping up. I figured if I'd be at work for like 8 or 10 hours a fucking day, that like it would have 8-10 hours to charge. Nothing would else be running, but the cooler has to run. Radio runs every time I fucking come out here. I love the van. We'll do a fucking van tutorial or van tour. Show y'all what we're working with pretty soon. Oh, my oven mitt sealer. I can smell the fumes leaking in from that fucking thing. Alright, disconnect the pipes from underneath. There's the fuel line. Yeah, definitely that filter sucks. I'm just glad it's a nice day to be doing this. I guess ultimately I just need to cut the carpet away. I gotta get the screws out of this fuck. Okay, we got that fucker unscrewed. That was a lot of work. Now it's cutty carpet time. I don't have a fucking clue what I'm doing here, guys. Oh yeah. Oh no, the GoPro's gone. Now we're gonna get this fuel line off and we'll start mocking up this plate. So I either gotta cut the fucking whatever you want to call it, the board, so this can go back a half a fucking inch and then go down 3 inches, and then I gotta cut the carpet because this will sit so fucking low, but it might sit low enough I can fit the inverter up here. Well, I guess I can seal it because I got that RTV. So I wasted 40 minutes making a fucking wooden lift kit for this heater, and then the fucking wood split because I don't have the right fucking tools to make that kind of shit. It's so goddamn frustrating. I scrapped that fucking plan, threw it in the bin. Now I'm just saying fuck it. I got out the saw, I cut out back of this goddamn whatever the fuck, this cabinet, if you want to call it a cabinet. It's a piece of shit. So now we're gonna get ready to mount this plate and cut some more of this carpet out. So we had to cut out a ridiculous chunk of carpet, which does suck. But what can you do? So now we're on this, getting the fucking, put this back on and then mount the plate after, I guess. I don't fucking know. Let me get this plate chilling up on here now. Hopefully. Yeah, that'll keep some fumes out. All right, turret plate's in. Cool. All right, finagled that motherfucker in. It actually looks like it's gonna go fine. Look how good it fits, ish. Bolt it up from below. Oh, my knees are killing, guys. Oh. That'll do. Alright, it's all back installed. Everything else is tight. The fuel filter is leaking, so we'll have to order a new one or find a new one. Okay, so the only leak we had was I forgot to tighten one of those hose clamps on the fuel line. I think that looks fucking ridiculous, but I love it. And I think we're done. We just gotta put air in this tire now. Fire this thing up. I gotta plug it in. But yeah, just gotta clean up. Got a lot of cleanup to do. We'll see you guys after all this. It's not really fun to walk these down. Broke it, taking it off. There. Doesn't have to be ultra fucking tight. That was a lot of fucking work, so let's pick up, let's get out of here. Alright, I got to the skate park. There's a bunch of people there, a bunch of friends I haven't rode with for a long time. I just wanted to ride and have fun, hang out with some people for a change. Instead of filming, I just kind of hung out with my homies. But I got some food. I'm gonna eat, try and finish up this last edit, then dump footage off this GoPro. Oh, I got an itch. Oh god, I'm dying. I'm stoked you got the heater reinstalled, got the microwave, everything's back in, got the van cleaned up, the heater's down here and I can kick it and not worry about breaking it. Heater hose is perfect, everything's going good. I love the fucking van life so far. I just love it with heat. Heat is a huge security issue for me. If I'm cold, like, life is terrible. So yeah, I'm gonna eat. Peace out. Later.